all of the students of class 8, welcome from KK Pulhat High School, Moralganj, Bagarhat. I am introducing yourself. I am Riyad Hossain Talukdar, assistant teacher in English, KK Pulhat High School, Moralganj, Bagarhat. Today we are discussing about speech. Of all you know that our present situation, COVID-19, it is not only our national problem but also global problem. So we try to some video classes for you, and you also listen carefully, see it carefully, as because you are refrained from going to school for many days, many months, about 1 year. Now listen to what I say carefully and silently. We are discussing about speech. There are two kinds of speech, such as direct speech number 2, indirect speech. About speech, we know that there are two kinds of speech, such as direct speech, indirect speech. My affectionate students, already you have known about speech. There are two kinds of speech, such as direct speech and indirect speech. There are two parts of direct speech. A direct speech has two parts. Number 1, reporting verb. Number 2, reported speech. A direct speech has two parts, reporting verb and also reported speech. If we see an example, Rana said to me, I have done this. My dear students, in the previous class, you know about this comma. This is called inverted comma. I mentioned here this comma. Write yourself. This is called inverted comma. The verb which stand before inverted comma, we call it reporting verb. Here said is reporting verb. Again, the verb which stand before report inverted comma is called reporting verb. Again, the verb which stand before inverted comma is called reporting verb. The speech or sentence or statement covered with inverted comma is called reported speech. Clear? My affectionate student, I think it is clear. Again, we mentioned here the sentence or the statement which covered with inverted comma, is called reported speech. If we change direct speech to indirect speech, we have to change some person. We have to change person at first, then we have to change tense, and at the last we have to change sentence. In the previous class, we are discussing about sentence and its classification according to meaning. At first, we have to change person. We know that there are three kinds of person: first person, second person, third person. You all know there are three kinds of person: first person, second person, and third person. If we change direct speech to indirect speech, direct from indirect, we must change at first person, first person, change according to subject. My students, look at this blackboard. First person. If you change first person, it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. If you change first person, it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. Second person, it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. According to object of reporting verb. If you change first person, it will be changed according to subject of reporting verb. If you want to change second person, it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. It is an interesting matter that third person will not be changed. Third person will not be changed. Third person, no change. We are ensuring about person sense. First person changed according to subject of reporting verb. Second person according to object of reporting verb. And the last, third person not changed. My dear students, now we want to change tense. My dear students, you know that there are three kinds of tenses. Now we need only present or past tense for changing. Present tense, corresponding past. Past indefinite, if you want to change past indefinite tense, it will be changed past perfect tense. Past indefinite, past perfect tense. Past continuous tense, past continuous tense, past perfect continuous. We discussing about corresponding. If any sentence remain past indefinite, you have to change past indefinite. If any students present continuous, you have to change past continuous. If any tense of reported speech present perfect, you have to change it past perfect. If any reported speech remain present perfect continuous tense, you can normally or easily change it past perfect continuous tense. But if any reported speech has past indefinite tense, you will be change it past perfect tense. If any reported speech remain past continuous tense, you must be changed it past perfect continuous tense. See again the next video class. Wish you good luck, every my students. Allah Hafiz.